Hi guys, welcome to the FxScouts channel. I'm Alison, and in today's video we are going to be covering how to use a demo account. In this video I'm going to be covering the pros of using a demo account, how to use a demo account effectively, and common mistakes to avoid. So demo accounts are basically simulated trading accounts available at most brokers that allow you to trade in a real environment but using fake or virtual money. They allow you to trade on all instruments, including Forex, and they really allow you to feel what a live trading environment feels like. So just as trainee pilots spend many hours in flight simulators learning how to fly a real aeroplane, demo accounts allow would-be Forex traders to make all kinds of mistakes and hopefully learn valuable lessons in the process in a risk-free environment. Now, the financial markets are extremely complex, and so it requires a lot of practice and education to really get to a point where you can be consistently profitable. And demo accounts are really the best way to practice trading before you start risking real money. So there are many benefits to using a demo account. Firstly, it allows you to learn the fundamentals of trading, and it allows you to get a feel for various market trends and to familiarize yourself with various financial instruments. Secondly, it allows for risk-free testing and refinement of trading strategies. This is a benefit for both new and experienced traders, as it allows you to test different techniques and it allows you to test out various analytical tools in a risk-free environment. And thirdly, probably one of the most important parts of using a demo account is that it allows you to test out a broker's platform. Some brokers offer third-party platforms like MT4, MT5, and CTrader, while others have their own trading platforms. And so you have to learn how to use the trading platform, how to execute orders, how to set stop losses and take profits, how to change your leverage, how to change your lot size, and then also what indicators are available. To make the most of your demo account, these are the most important tips to keep in mind. As we know, the Forex market is very volatile and can be influenced by all sorts of different factors, including economic news, various geopolitical events, and also by market sentiment. You should use your demo account to understand how these various factors impact currency prices. You need to learn to trade based on prior analysis. So what you need to do is you need to analyze the fundamentals, including the various economic events that might be coming up. And this you can use an economic calendar to figure out which events might affect your trades. And secondly, you need to perform technical analysis. Fundamental analysis assesses the impact of economic, political, and social events on currency movements, while technical analysis predicts future price movements using historical patterns and using tools like technical indicators. Next, you should approach a demo account with the seriousness you would on a real live trading account. This entails following a trading plan and proper risk management. Thirdly, you want to simulate real trading conditions by setting the amount you're trading on your demo account to the same amount that you would on a real trading account. So if you're only going to be trading $500 on a trading account in the real world, then set your demo account to the same value. You also want to consider factors like spreads, slippage, and then your execution speeds as well. Take time to review your trades. Write down when you entered and when you exited a trade, which risk management strategies you used, which technical indicators you used, and this will really help you to refine your trading strategies. Now, even though you're only using virtual money, practice risk management as if you were using real money. Set realistic stop losses and take profits. Maintain proper leverage and manage your account balance. This discipline will be invaluable to you when you start trading in a real environment. A demo account allows you to practice these strategies over and over again until you are comfortable with the trading strategy you can take to a live environment. Now, there are some very common mistakes that many traders make when using a demo account. And if you can become aware of these mistakes and learn to avoid them, then you'll have much better success when you start trading in a live environment. Firstly, many traders have a very unrealistic mindset and expectations about what trading will deliver. One common mistake is approaching a demo account with a careless attitude, or the attitude that because it's fake money, you don't have to take it seriously. Now, this is true because you're not going to lose real money, but if you have this mindset when you're trading in a demo account, you will likely take the same attitude to a real account. So it's very important to treat the demo account with seriousness and treat it as if you really were trading with real money. The next mistake that many traders make is that they neglect proper risk management. So because they're trading on a demo account, they don't really feel the need to set stop losses and take profits. But the problem is, if you don't do this in a simulated environment, you might not know how to do it in a real trading environment. And as we mentioned in one of our previous videos, setting stop losses and take profits is probably one of the most important things you can do when you're trading. It'll help you to really minimize your losses and to improve your risk-reward ratio. I'll put a link to that video in the notes below. The third mistake that many traders make is that they ignore the emotional aspects of trading. Emotions like greed, fear, and impatience can significantly impact your trading when trading in a live environment. If you don't learn how to simulate these emotions and learn how to manage them effectively when trading on a demo account, then you might struggle to cope with the psychological challenges when trading on a real account. And finally, remember that the demo account is just a tool. It's not a substitute for real experience. If you feel that you are comfortable enough on the demo account to try your trading strategies in a real live trading environment, then always start with a very small amount of capital when you start trading. Don't risk large amounts of capital and don't trade with very high leverage when you start trading on your real account. Thanks so much for watching. If you want to know how to open a demo account, you will find a link to our video below. And if you have any questions, please send them through to FxScouts.com or leave a comment in the comment section below.